Hi, it's me, Engineer Cha. Sorry for not uploading videos this past weeks. I am tight and engaged with my work-related activities. For today's video, I'll be sharing about how to find the value of x for the given equations. Meron akong three given equations. Yung first, 5x is equal to 125. So, in getting the value of x, to find it, we need to bring the variable on the left side and bring all the remaining values to the right side. Lastly, simplify the values to find the result. Sa first given equation, yung variable niya nasa left side na. So, wala tayong kailangan baguhin. Yung values nasa right side na. Yung remaining values. So, 5x is equal to 125. 5x is equal to 125. To find the value of x, we need to divide both of the equations from the numerical coefficient 5. 5x divided by 5, 125 divided by 5. Yung numerical coefficient ng x sa given equation ay 5. So, 5x divided by 5 is equal to x. 125 divided by 5 is equal to 25. So, x is equal to 25. Para ma-check kung tama yung sagot, kakaroon tayo ng checking. 5x is equal to 125. 5 times substitute the value of x, which is 25, is equal to 125. So 25 times 5, 125 is equal to 125. Next equation. 3x plus 90 is equal to 270. I've mentioned a while ago, to find the value of x, we need to bring the variable on the left side and bring all the remaining values to the right side. Yung variable x nasa left side na, so hindi ko na siya babaguhin, kokopyahin ko na lang siya. 3x is equal to, meron akong value na 270. Nasa left side yung 90, dapat daw nasa right side siya. Pag magta-transfer tayo from left to right na equation or from right na equation to left, nababago yung sign niya para mas mabilis. So, si positive 90, pag tinransfer ko siya from left sa right, magiging negative 90 minus 90. 3x is equal to 270 minus 90 is equal to 180. Then divide both of the equation sa numerical coefficient ng x, which is positive 3. 3x divided by 3, 180 divided by 3, 3x divided by 3 is equal to x. X is equal to 180 divided by 3 is equal to 60. So, x is equal to 60. Same checking. Substitute the value of x. 3x is equal to 3x, plus 90 is equal to 270. 3 times the value of x, which is 60, plus 90 is equal to 270. 3 times 60 is 180, plus 90 is equal to 270. 270 is equal to 270. Equal siya. So, tama yung value ng x. Last given. Meron akong 250 is equal to 80x plus 330. Kailangan daw, we need to bring the variable on the left side and bring all the remaining values to the right side. Yung variable natin, si x, 80x, nasa right side siya, so kailangan dalhin ko siya sa left side. Nabanggit ko kanina, kapag magta-transfer tayo, variable man yan, whole number, from right to left na equation, or vice versa, nag-iiba yung sign niya. So, from positive 80x, nasa right side na equation, transfer ko siya sa left side, siya ay magiging negative 80x. Negative 80x is equal to, copyahin ko lang 330, remaining values. Si 250, nasa left side siya, hindi siya variable, kailangan i-transfer ko siya sa kanan. Si variable dapat nasa left, remaining na hindi variables nasa kanan. So, positive 250 from left na equation, transfer ko sa right na equation, nagiging negative 250. Negative 80x is equal to 330 minus 250 is equal to positive 80. Then, we need to divide both of the equations sa numerical coefficient ng x, which is negative 80. Parang matira na lang variable ay x at makuha yung volume negative 80x divided by negative 80 is equal to 80 divided by negative 80. Negative 80x divided by negative 80 is positive x is equal to 80 divided by negative 80 is negative 1. So, x is equal to negative 1. Checking. Gaya din ng ginawa sa taas, substitute the value of x. 250 is equal to 80x plus 330. 250 is equal to 80 times negative 1 plus 330. 250 is equal to 80 times negative 1 is negative 80 plus 330. 250 is equal to negative 80 plus 330 is equal to positive 250. That's all I have. If you have any ideas for a computation-related topic to discuss, feel free to comment below. Hello, since I wasn't able to provide free raffle last November 30 and 15 December 2023, we will be doing 2 free raffles today using a wheel of names. This is applicable for those subscribers who were able to provide their names and proof of a snapshot that they are one of my subscribers. Let us see who are the blessed winners. First 100 pesos will go to Alison Anyanevo. Congratulations! Well, the second one will go to RR2. Congratulations! Thank you!